Another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today we're looking at this decorative hanging jungle with tiger and parrots and all our wonderful jungle mix murrini. So today I'm going to show you how we made this. This piece I'm wanting to create a kind of a piece of glass which is full fused together, which is in almost like a U shape, but it's a U shape kind of coming in. So this is like, you can imagine this is going to be a tree, and just putting some branches on the tree. We've got another tree over this side. I've just got to make sure the items are touching, or overlapping, so that it's all going to fuse together. Now I'm just going to put on top of this lots of pieces of, this is a single layer. I don't mind the tree being a single layer because it will kind of ball up into being what looks like a tree, but this bottom also needs to be 2 layers thick, or in a lot of places, so that it kind of fuses into one single layer, which is a 6 mil. So I'm going to just put a load of these pieces on, and then we'll look at it before it goes in the kiln. So here this is built up and ready to go in the kiln. The trees are just a single layer, so those will nicely round up, and then this is a double layer, or even a bit more than a double layer. As you can see, I've done it in a slight curve and just built it up with lots of little pieces of glass, so it'll be a nice organic feel to it. Get this in the kiln on a full fuse. Got to make sure that that is actually touching. Everything needs to be overlapping here to make sure it fuses together, and we can see how it looks when it comes out. So here it is out of the kiln, and we've drilled a hole in our beautiful parrot sun and strung it all together, and look how pretty our tiger scene is. Just love it, it's so fun. And so happy glass, happy glass. Remember, you can get all our products at tabithasglassemporium.com. Go there, sign up for our newsletter, check out our new website. It's looking so great, and until next time, happy